Hello, it's Grace from Webbers, and today I'm going to show you around the Annexe at number 24 Wrafton Road. Let's go and have a look around. Upon entering the property, you come into the kitchen, which has a nice modern finish and includes a gas hob and cooker, a dishwasher and a fridge freezer. There's a nice amount of cupboard space and work surface space. And then it leads nicely into a second reception room, or what could be used as a dining room. Which then also follows out onto the orangery, which is a lovely, warm, sunny seating area. Back through the kitchen, and as you can see, there's a little extension area of the kitchen that again could be used as a dining area. And then there's a shower room. So nice size shower cubicle, the toilet and the sink. And then downstairs, the final room is the living room. So we've got an electric fireplace, nice cosy living room, and doors that open out onto the courtyard at the front. So as we come up the stairs, we come into the first of the 3 adjoining rooms. These can be used as 3 individual bedrooms, but they are perfectly suited to somebody using them as a bedroom, a dressing room and an office, or for a couple who would benefit from having 2 office spaces. As you can see, we are up in the eaves, but I'm standing up, so there is good head height at the back of the room. Plenty of natural light in these rooms. So now into the second of the 3 adjoining rooms. And then finally, the third room, which has slightly more head height than the other 2 due to the little step down when you come from the second room. And then the stairs lead back down into the dining room. Out the front of the property, there's a large courtyard space, which is shared with the house in front. And then this leads to a separate utility room that has plenty of storage space and also includes the washing machine and the sink. There's also space out here for a tumble dryer if required. And then through this side gate, you enter into the enclosed garden, which is private for this property, although access through that gate is for the neighbouring property. This property is available now for a long-term let, so if you'd like to arrange a viewing, you can give us a call on 01271 812 263.